Every day, businesses throw away materials that still have value. Glass, plastic, cardboard, metal. Most people see waste. Entrepreneurs see opportunity. Because with the right machine, discarded materials can become products, raw materials, and even entire businesses. Today on Business Byte, we're looking at 8 recycling machines that can help turn waste into profit. Let's start. Machine number 1, glass crushing machine. The first recycling business idea starts with something people throw away every day: glass bottles. A glass crushing machine turns bottles, jars, and broken glass into reusable glass fragments that can be sold back into the market. You feed clean glass into the machine, and the crusher breaks it into different particle sizes. Those materials can be sold to glass manufacturers, construction suppliers, landscapers, terrazzo makers, mosaic artists, and decorative concrete businesses. The biggest advantage is the raw material. Restaurants, cafes, hotels, bars, events, and recycling centers often deal with piles of empty bottles. Some may even cooperate just to remove them. This is why glass recycling can become a strong small business idea for beginners. You're not trying to invent a product, you're solving a waste problem and selling useful raw material. The beginner mistake is crushing random dirty glass without checking buyer requirements first. Some buyers want clear glass only, others accept mixed colors, some need specific particle sizes. A small glass crusher usually costs around $1,000 to $5,000, depending on capacity. Potential buyers: glass factories, construction suppliers, landscapers, artists, and recycling companies. Machine number 2, hydraulic metal recycling baler. The second machine is for one of the most proven waste-to-profit markets: scrap metal. A hydraulic metal recycling baler compresses aluminum cans, steel scraps, metal sheets, and light industrial waste into dense blocks that are easier to store, transport, and sell. This matters because loose scrap metal takes space and costs more to move. Once it is baled, it becomes cleaner, more organized, and more attractive to scrapyards and metal buyers. Your raw material can come from auto repair shops, construction sites, fabrication workshops, maintenance companies, factories, and local collectors. Many businesses generate metal waste every week and simply want it removed. This is not a flashy business, but it is practical. Recycled metal is used constantly in manufacturing, construction, automotive parts, and industrial supply chains. The beginner mistake is mixing different metals together. Aluminum, copper, steel, and stainless steel have different values. If you sort badly, you lose money. Small semi-automatic metal balers usually cost around $3,000 to $8,000. Potential buyers: scrapyards, metal recyclers, foundries, factories, and industrial material traders. The beginner mistake is crushing random dirty glass without checking buyer requirements first. Some buyers want clear glass only, others accept mixed colors. Some need specific particle sizes. A small glass crusher usually costs around $1,000 to $5,000, depending on capacity. Potential buyers: glass factories, construction suppliers, landscapers, artists, and recycling companies. Machine number 3, eco-friendly brick-making machine. The third machine takes recycling to a higher level because it turns waste into a finished product. An eco-friendly brick-making machine can produce bricks, pavers, and blocks using recycled materials, such as construction waste, fly ash, crushed debris, and in some systems, recycled plastic mixtures. Instead of selling raw waste for a low price, you create a product people can use in gardens, walls, walkways, landscaping projects, and small construction jobs. This is why recycled brick production is one of the most interesting green business ideas. The construction market is always active, and many buyers are looking for cheaper, stronger, or more sustainable building materials. The process is simple: prepare the mixture, place it in the mold, compress it, then dry or cure the bricks before selling them. The beginner mistake is producing bricks before testing strength, finish, and local building rules. A brick business needs quality control, not just a machine. Small brick-making machines usually cost around $2,500 to $10,000, depending on automation and mold options. Potential buyers: Contractors, landscapers, hardware shops, garden centers, developers, and homeowners. Machine number 4, plastic shredding machine. The fourth machine is one of the most searched recycling machines for small business owners, the plastic shredder. Plastic waste is everywhere. Water bottles, detergent bottles, food containers, packaging, caps, and household plastics are thrown away every day. A plastic shredder turns sorted and cleaned plastic into flakes. Those flakes can be sold to recycling companies or used as raw material for other products. This is often the first step in a plastic recycling business because it is simple, scalable, and easy to understand. Your supply can come from supermarkets, schools, apartment buildings, restaurants, offices, vents, warehouses, and local collectors. The more consistent your collection route, the stronger the business becomes. The opportunity is growing because manufacturers want recycled plastic to reduce costs and meet sustainability goals. The beginner mistake is mixing plastic types. PET, HDPE, PP, and PVC are not the same. If you do not sort properly, buyers may reject the material or pay less. Small plastic shredders usually cost around $2,000 to $8,000. Potential buyers: recycling factories, plastic manufacturers, injection molding shops, extruder operators, and raw material traders. Machine number 5, recycled plastic extruder. Machine number 5 is where plastic recycling becomes manufacturing. A recycled plastic extruder takes plastic flakes and turns them into new products or raw materials with higher value. The machine heats shredded plastic until it melts, then pushes it through a mold to create a new shape. Depending on the setup, you can produce 3D printing filament, plastic profiles, sheets, pipes, strips, pellets, or custom parts for manufacturers. This is powerful because you are no longer selling waste, you are selling a usable product. For entrepreneurs, this can become a scalable recycling business because one machine can serve different niches. You can start with simple products and later move into custom orders. The smartest path is to use a plastic shredder first, then add an extruder when you understand the material, buyers, and local demand. The beginner mistake is buying an extruder before choosing a product. The mold, plastic type, temperature, and buyer all matter. Small recycled plastic extrusion systems usually start around $5,000 and can go above $20,000. Potential buyers: 3D printing shops, plastic manufacturers, hardware suppliers, construction suppliers, and custom product makers. Machine number 6, cardboard recycling machine for protective packaging. Machine number 6 is small, simple, and perfect for the e-commerce boom. A cardboard recycling machine turns used cardboard boxes into protective packaging material. Instead of buying bubble wrap or foam, businesses can use recycled cardboard mesh to protect products during shipping. This is one of the best low-investment recycling business ideas because cardboard is easy to find. Retail shops, supermarkets, warehouses, offices, shopping centers, and delivery businesses throw away boxes every day. The machine cuts the cardboard into flexible cushioning material that can be used immediately. No melting, no complicated chemistry, and no large production line. Your customers can be online sellers, gift shops, moving companies, fulfillment centers, furniture sellers, fragile product brands, and small warehouses. The timing is strong because e-commerce packaging costs keep rising and many businesses want eco-friendly packaging solutions. The beginner mistake is selling recycled cardboard instead of selling the benefit: cheaper, sustainable, protective packaging for shipping. Small cardboard packaging machines usually cost around $1,500 to $6,000. Potential buyers: e-commerce sellers, packing stores, warehouses, moving companies, and local product brands. Machine number 7, biomass briquette press. Machine number 7 turns organic waste into fuel. A biomass briquette press compresses sawdust, wood shavings, dry leaves, agricultural waste, coffee husks, and plant residues into dense fuel blocks called briquettes. These briquettes can be used for heating, boilers, bakeries, workshops, farms, commercial kitchens, and some industrial operations. This business works best in areas where organic waste is easy to collect, Woodworking shops, farms, sawmills, coffee processors, agricultural areas, and landscaping companies can all become supply sources. The value comes from turning messy waste into a clean, stackable, sellable energy product. As fuel prices rise, more buyers look for affordable alternatives. The process is direct. Collect dry material, prepare it, feed it into the press, and package the finished briquettes. The beginner mistake is ignoring moisture. If the material is too wet, the briquettes break, smoke badly, or fail to burn properly. Drying and storage are part of the business. Small biomass briquette presses usually cost around $3,000 to $12,000. Potential buyers? Bakeries, farms, workshops, heating users, fuel distributors, and local businesses. Machine number 8, plastic and metal separation machine. The final machine helps you recover hidden value from mixed waste. A plastic and metal separation machine sorts different materials so each one can be sold at a better price. Mixed waste is a major problem in recycling. Plastic attached to metal, bottle caps mixed with containers, electronic scrap, cables, industrial leftovers, and manufacturing waste can lose value when sold as one pile. A separation machine uses methods such as magnetic separation, airflow, density, vibration, or other physical differences to divide materials into cleaner categories. This makes the business more profitable because clean, sorted material is worth more than dirty, mixed waste. This machine is especially useful if you already process plastic, metal, electronics, or factory scrap. It can help reduce losses and increase the amount of sellable material. The beginner mistake is buying a separator without knowing the exact waste stream. Different waste types need different separation technology. Small separation machines usually cost around $4,000 to $15,000, depending on system and capacity. Potential buyers? Recycling centers, factories, scrap yards, electronics recyclers, plastic processors, and material traders. Every machine in this video proves one thing. Some of the best business opportunities are hidden inside problems people ignore. Glass can become construction material, plastic can become raw material, cardboard can become packaging, and organic waste can become fuel. But remember, the machine is only a tool. The real business is finding the right waste source, understanding your buyers, and building consistent demand. Now I want to hear from you. Which machine would you start with first? Comment the machine number below. And for more business ideas, manufacturing machines, and low investment opportunities, watch the next Business Byte video on your screen now.